Have you ever opened up a cloud bill for an AI project and just stared at it, thinking, wait, what on earth am I even paying for here? If you have, trust me, you are not alone. These costs, well, they're a totally different animal than your typical IT spend. So let's get into it and figure out exactly where all that money is going.
And just so you know, the insights we're about to walk through are based on some really fantastic work from the folks over at Virtualization Options LLC. They put together a super comprehensive report that breaks all of this down.
You see, here's the fundamental shift. With old school apps, your costs were pretty predictable, right? More users meant more server load. Simple. But AI? Oh, that's a whole different ballgame. It's multidimensional, it needs intense, and this is the key, continuous resources, whether you have one person using it or a million. That completely changes the financial picture.
So that's the big question, isn't it? What are you really paying for? We're going to peel back the layers of that cloud bill one by one. We'll start with the obvious stuff and then get into the costs that are sneakily hiding in plain sight.
First up, let's talk about the one cost everybody sees, compute. It's the raw horsepower, the processing power. But here's the thing. It's really just the tip of a much, much bigger and way more expensive iceberg.
And look, compute isn't just one big bucket of cost. You've got to split it into two. First, there's training. Think of this like an all-out, intense sprint. It's where the model learns from all that data. And then you have inference. That's the marathon. That's your model actually doing its job, making predictions, around the clock, 24/7.
And that training sprint, it is no joke. To give you an idea of the scale we're talking about, a single large model can chew through over 1,000 GPU hours. And remember, these aren't your everyday processors. We're talking about highly specialized, incredibly pricey hardware, and you're getting billed for every single hour they're fired up. And this brings us to the big gotcha, the thing that trips so many people up. While that intense training period gets all the attention, it's actually the slow, steady, 24/7 burn of inference that often becomes the biggest charge on your bill over the long haul. That marathon just keeps on running, and the meter keeps on ticking. So that's compute. But lurking just below the surface is the next huge cost driver, your data. AI models are incredibly hungry for data, and these massive data sets create their own, well, a silent sprawl of costs that can really sneak up on you.
And check this out, because this one surprises almost everyone. Those data transfer fees, what they call egress costs, can eat up as much as 30% of your entire AI cloud bill. Yep, just moving your data from point A to point B, from storage to your processors or out to your users, carries a seriously hefty price tag.
You know, it's not just a sheer amount of data, it's what you do with it. All the things you're supposed to do, like keeping different versions of your datasets, saving model checkpoints during training so you don't lose your work, tracking hundreds of different experiments, every single one of those best practices quietly stacks another layer onto your storage bill.
Okay, let's dive even deeper now, way below the water's surface. Underneath all the compute and data, there's this whole hidden world of supporting infrastructure. These are the services that make your AI actually work in the real world. And guess what? They all come with their own price tags.
I mean, think about it. How do people even talk to your model? That's where things like API gateways and load balancers come in. They're basically the traffic cops for your AI app, directing all the requests. And you get billed for every bit of data they manage and every connection they handle.
And how do you even know if your model is doing a good job? Well, you need monitoring tools. These are absolutely vital for keeping tabs on performance and system health, but their costs are tied directly to how much data they're looking at. So the more you watch, the more you pay.
But out of all these hidden costs, the data transfers, the gateways, the monitoring, there's one thing that time and time again is the single biggest source of financial waste. It's the easiest thing to fix, and yet it's the most common problem. Idle resources. It's really that simple. It's the GPUs you left running after a training job finished. It's the servers that are way too big for the job, just waiting for traffic that never shows up. It's like paying for a high-performance race car and just leaving it in the garage with the engine off. It's pure 100% avoidable waste.
Okay, so that was a bit of a cautionary tale, right? But here's the good news. You absolutely can get a handle on these costs. So let's switch gears. Let's talk about some real, practical things you can do to start taming that AI cloud bill.
And honestly, this is the most important place to start: visibility. You have to stop waiting for that monthly bill to show up. You need real-time dashboards that show you what's happening right now. Why?
because you can't possibly optimize what you can't even see.
So here are 3 things you can do today. Number 1, schedule your jobs. Set up automated start and stop times for training, so you never pay for an idle GPU again. 2, get smart with your data. Compress it and put it in the same physical location as your computers to absolutely crush those transfer fees. And 3, start practicing FinOps. It's really just a fancy way of saying, bring some financial accountability to the cloud. Tag everything, know which projects cost what, and set up budget alerts. It's all about creating that visibility and accountability.
All right, so let's just quickly recap the big ideas here. First, AI costs are a mix of things: compute, data, and operations. Second, remember that the inference marathon, not the training sprint, is usually your biggest expense over time. Third, those hidden costs, especially idle resources and data fees, are a huge deal. And finally, the only way to win this game is with proactive management, and that all starts with real-time visibility.
So I'll just leave you with this one final thought. Your AI is designed to learn and adapt from new information every single day. The real question is your strategy for paying for it doing the same?